Hello everyone, I hope you enjoyed last day one with the creation of an Hello World API. Let's dive into day two and add a bit more into it. So let's create an API a bit more like reality, let's say. So let's dive into the code. We could let the Hello controller stay, but I will remove it at the end. So let's create a customer controller where we will add some logic to our code, and we'll be able to add, post, create, add, get, delete our stuff in our API. I could have renamed actually, let's do that. Let's rename. I will have a better base to work on. So let's create customer controller. Typo, okay, API. So let's add customers. Okay, let's add a get mapping without anything. Up, get all. There is no pass variable in it, and let's add a list of customers. So first, let's create our customers. So I'm gonna use a record with customer, and let's add UUID in it. ID, first name and last name. First name, last name. Okay, cool. Let's go back in our controller, and I won't use DB for now. Let's remove useless import. I won't use a DB for now, so let's store it in memory with a list. Customers. New list, and let's use list of new customer, and let's add UUID. Let's add Santa, and oh, not this is close. Cool. So our get all will send us back our list of customer, and let's return customer. And let's remove that, and let's see how it goes. I hope it works firsthand. Like before, our API starts curl http localhost 8080 API customers, and we should get our customer back, and it works. Cool. But we need to add a bit more logic into it. Let's say I want a specific customer, so let's add like before the pass variable, so an ID up, and send us back only one customer. Get by ID. Let's add our pass variable. ID, and it's gonna be UUID ID. Cool. And let's have stream filter customer ID equals or ID parameters. Find first and get. don't do that. It's a bit bad, but for demo purposes, you should handle the case we don't find an ID. So let's restart our API. Okay, it was not working. Okay, cool. Yeah, it starts. So let's see if I get back on my customers, because ID change, I need to see. You can see the ID change. I need to get it and add it to my URL, and we should not have the bracket anymore. So let's see that. Up. And as you can see, we have only one customer. But let's make things interesting, and let's add a new customer. Oh yeah. Customer. Up. Yeah, cool. I saw a show of my career yesterday, and it's a bit with the topic. So let's add my career to our customers. Up. And restart our application to see if it works. So let's do the same and get all our customers. As you can see, we have two. Let's select my career and see how it goes. And it works. Cool. Bon. So let's add a delete endpoint to delete our customers with an ID. So let's add ID, click, void, delete by ID. Let's add our pass variable to get the ID. Oops, sorry for that. ID, typo, ID. Okay, I need to add the type of our ID, bracket. Oops. And let's remove the ID, the customer with the ID from our list. So we need to remove if C ID dot ID equals ID. So let's see if it works. I need the curl for that. So I need to extend it. Okay. So let's restart our application and see how it goes. So let's get our customers with our new ID. So let's write curl delete. Let's write, and I need to get the ID. Let's remove Santa. Okay, we don't handle the return, so let's see if our customer has been removed from our list. Let's go back. And it was so cool, but we can't delete Santa. Let's add it back. So let's do post mapping. Post mapping. Anything. Create customer. Customer. And we are going to send our customer. So we need to add request body, customer. Okay, cool. And let's add it. Add customer. And actually, let's send it back. Customer. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna write a post. I'm gonna copy paste it, and I need to restart the application. So let's see what kind of customers we have. So we have actually this formatted. I don't remember the tool I used to format it, but let me remember it for the next days. So anyway, let's create our customer. It's gonna be a John Doe. Why not? So let's click on that, and as you can see, it sent it back, and let's see. Yeah, cool. And I guess that's it for today. Let me check if I did everything I wanted to cover. Yeah, cool. So as you can see, you can interact with the API, but what thing is missing? We don't handle anything on the HTTP code. So let's focus on that for day 3. But for today, that's it. Thank you and peace. See you.